Hi and welcome to the series of DataLemur solutions. So today we have one more problem which is team power users. So in this problem we have to write a query to identify the top two power users who sent the highest number of messages on Microsoft Teams in August 2022. So let me explain you this problem first. So in this problem we have one messages dataset. In this we have message ID, sender ID, receiver ID, content and send date. So from this dataset we have to generate this output dataset, and let me explain you how this output datasets are getting generated. So from this input dataset we only have to consider those records that are for the August 2022. So that means if you can see this this record this record is for the August 2022. Also this record is for August 2022 and also this one. But there is one record which is not for the August 2022. So we can ignore this record. And what we have to do is we have to find out the top two senders who send the highest messages. So in this particular input dataset, we can ignore this record because this is not for August 2022. So out of these three records, if you can look into this sender ID, this is 3601. 3601 sender has sent two messages. So he is the top employee who sent the number highest messages. So that is why he is in the first row. And if we again look into the input dataset, we have the another employee as 4500, and this is the second employee who sent the second highest record on the teams. So that is why they are the top two employees who send the highest messages. So this is our problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So we can do with, so because from this messages dataset, first we have to find the rows that are only for the August 2022. So we can do this with where date part of this sender date, and from this if the month is equal to 8, then that means it is August month. And also similar to this we have to check one more condition, which is if the year is equal to 2022, that means this date will be from August 2022. So let's run this. So we have the data for August 2022, and from this data we have to find the maximum message sent by the user. So we need this sender information, also the count of messages they sent, and we can say this as message count. Also let's put this in group by sender ID, and let's run this query. So now we have the sender ID and also the message number of messages they have sent. So out of this data we need the top two employees who send the highest messages. So how we can do this is we can sort this data, and to do this we can do order by, and in order by we can use this count of messages. So and also we have to get the top messages count at first, so we can use descending. And from this now we want to get the top two rows, so we can limit this query to get only two rows. So we are getting this output. So let's submit this. So now you can see our solution got accepted, and this is how we can solve this problem. So going forward I will be solving more questions on this playlist from this DataLemur site. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.